What's up, everybody? It's your boy TuPhones for Free, back again with another informative video. So this is kind of like a tutorial on how you should deposit money, cash money, onto your cash card, cash app card. So you see, if you do have this, it says paper money. So if you do have this feature, you tap on it, paper money. Okay, so all right, so we're gonna do this again. So we're nearby Walgreens. Well, I'm in the Walgreens parking lot right now. Dollar General would do it. I had bad experiences with Dollar General, Family Dollar. I didn't try. I normally do PayPal at Family Dollar, but with Walgreens, I do Chime and CashApp now. But there's a downside to the Cash App. Okay, so where it says show barcode. Okay, so that's the barcode. So it says X cashier to scan barcode. Okay, there's a $1 fee per transaction. Limit one transaction per barcode. $5 minimum to deposit. Deposit up to $500 per transaction. $1,000 in a 7-day window, or $4,000 every 30 days. And the barcode expires about 20 minutes or 30 minutes. So once you go to the store, you got to have your barcode out. Once you go to the store, let them know you want to put money on your cash card. They scan the barcode. You got to have the barcode out. They scan the barcode. Once they scan the barcode, you hit done, and then you just wait on the transaction. But it's a $1 fee. Okay, it's a $1 fee to do the cash card. So make sure you have a certain amount in there. Let me see my history. I'm trying to show you. Let me see. I think I did it. I probably did it wrong. Hold on. So it's like balance. You check your balance. Let's see your balance. Okay, my bad. So I did the barcode, but you will get like a history, and it will show you your balance. Somewhere. There we go. So instead of getting $20, Cash App will take $1 fee out. So I didn't put $20 in my account. I put 19. Okay. So that's how that works. As you can see, paper money deposit at Walgreens. So it does work at Walgreens. This is proof. Also, I got receipts. Okay. I got receipts today. April 2nd, 1:23 p.m. And then I got another one for the cash card. Okay. $20. So, but it will show Cash App 19. There's a $1 fee. Just remember that. I'm out.